Nurse manager, I'm concerned about Mr. George's behavior. He's been verbally abusive towards the staff, and it's affecting our morale.
I'm sorry to hear that, Mihira. Verbal abuse is unacceptable, and we won't tolerate it. We need to address the situation immediately.
I've tried to de-escalate the situation, but his behavior continues. I'm worried about the safety of myself and my colleagues.
That's a serious concern. We'll need to document the incidents and report them to the appropriate authorities. We may also need to involve the patient's family to address this issue.
I'm also concerned about the impact on other patients. Mr. George's behavior is creating a hostile environment for everyone.
Absolutely, Mihira. We'll take steps to ensure the safety and well-being of all patients and staff. We may need to relocate Mr. George to a different unit or consider other options.
Thank you for listening to my concerns. I hope we can find a solution to this situation.
I completely understand your worry, Mihira, and it's a valid concern. I want to emphasize why these daily wound dressings are so crucial for your foot ulcer. Because this is a deep and wide wound, consistent daily dressing changes are absolutely vital. This meticulous care is essential to prevent infection, which could lead to very serious complications. More importantly, regular dressing changes promote healthy tissue growth and healing, which is critical to avoid the need for more drastic measures, such as an amputation. Regarding the dressing change itself, the process involves a few key steps. First, I'll gently remove the old dressing, ensuring not to pull too hard. Then, I'll carefully clean the wound using a saline solution to wash away any debris or bacteria. Finally, I'll apply a fresh, sterile dressing to protect the wound and support healing. Does that make sense, Mihira?